Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Hyper-V for Windows 10. So if you wanted to create a virtual machine on your Windows 10 machine, you can install a built-in Windows feature called Hyper-V, which allows you to create a virtual machine. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So the first thing to do is go to the search bar, go to Windows Features, click on this, scroll to the bottom, there should be, oh here we go, Hyper-V, select that, hit OK, just wait for Windows to install all the necessary files and you'll apply the changes to your Windows. Now we need to restart, so I'm just gonna restart it and I'll record this back. Okay, and we're back now. So after restarting Windows, I'm gonna check to see if the Hyper-V has been installed. Yes it is. So I just typed in Hyper, click on this. This is the Hyper-V Manager where you can manage all your different virtual machines. So at the moment I don't have any virtual machines, but let's create one. Just going to use the quick create. Let's create a Windows 10 dev environment. And the reason why I want to install this Hyper-V and create virtual machines is so that I want to do further testings with my local web server, and instead of installing it on my actual Windows machine, I can try to use this virtual machine. I can also use it for creating videos like these ones where I don't need to always have my main machine set up and captured. So let me just create this virtual machine. It's gonna download the Windows 10 environment, so just take a while. I'll speed this up so you don't have to watch all this. Once it's finished downloading, you will extract the disk from the image archive. So this is gonna take a little while, so I'm just gonna speed it up. Once it's extracted, Hyper-V will create the virtual hard drive, and when that's finished, you have a virtual machine, and it's saying here the virtual machine has been created successfully. Let's run the virtual machine. Now it's starting up the Hyper-V. As you can see, you can expand it, make it full screen. We're now booting to Windows. Let's just sign in. Here we go. It's loaded the operating system Windows 10 dev environment. It's pretty much like your Windows 10 operating system. It has access to the internet. Okay, so here we go. This is the Windows 10 dev environment using Hyper-V. As you can see, it seems like it's also using remote desktop. So when I expand it, this is how it looks like. You can see that pretty much it's like having another Windows machine, but it's a virtual one. And you can pretty much do everything you need. You can browse the internet, May seems a bit slower because it's running as a virtual machine. You can switch to Chrome for Windows. Yes, so this is the Hyper-V. Using Windows 10, you can install other operating systems if you want. You can also change the different parameters to this Hyper-V. So for example, if we go to settings, you can change the amount of memory it's using. So at the moment it's using 2 gig. Number of processors, the name, and so forth. So this is a quick video showing you how to install Hyper-V. The downloading process took the most amount of time because it was a 17 gig file. If you plan to run multiple virtual machines, just remember that it uses more CPUs and memory. So there you go. I'm gonna create another video later on showing how to install WAMP on this virtual machine, which will allow me to run multiple websites on this virtual machine. So look out for that video. Give this video a like and subscribe to the channel.